Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get access to our school community and how to actually get into where all the videos are and all the knowledge is. So the first thing is, from your Just Simple Trading login, you're going to click Learn at the top. All right. Once you click Learn, you'll get to our JST Skool community. Now at the bottom right here, there's going to be a yellow button that says Join Group. So just follow the steps, join the group. Then you can always message us on TikTok or in our Discord. You need to get approved. Now, we usually check every few hours and we approve everyone on a regular basis. So just wait a little bit, you'll get approved. Now, once your membership is approved, you'll go up here to where it says Classroom. Okay, so click Classroom and then all of the information is here. Now, the main thing you need to do is go into this step-by-step video tutorial section. You go in there and now we have all of these videos that you should watch right away because they're very short and they go over everything instantly. So all you have to do is just go through these videos. You can see it's only 45 seconds. So don't waste time, get started, and we'll see you guys in the Skool community.